Assalamu alaikum, this is Leah. Today I would like to share how to edit a document or JPG format file on Photoshop. If I open a JPG format file here, I can see 2015 to 2018 is the experiences on our experience letter. But I have to require 2019 somewhere. So how can I edit 8 to 9? If I use erase tool, it will be not appropriately edited. So how can I solve this problem? I can press rectangle tool and mark the 8. Then I have to press shift backspace. If I press shift backspace, here I can see lots of options like foreground color, background color, color, content error. But I have to select content error here. Then I have to press OK. Then it will be vanish. Now I can newly use type tool and write 9 here. Then I have to set it by using key arrow key space. Then it will be easily edited in 2019. If I say another example, here I can say I wish her every success in life. If I think it will not be I, it have to be we. So I have to use rectangle tool and I have to select some portion of nearby option and I have to select this layer definitely. Then if I can press Ctrl Alt and move this rectangle tool over I, it will be removed. Then I can write new thing here by using tab tool. If I see it, then I have to set it here. Alright, so here it is. So if I save it again in JPG format, experience letter 1, okay, press OK, then I can see my document. Here it is. Now you can print new file to submit anywhere. Thank you.